Neuroscience Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. In today's update, the United Arab Emirates has made a groundbreaking move by approving tolebrutinib for non-relapsing secondary progressive multiple sclerosis. This makes the United Arab Emirates the first country to approve Sanofi's tolebrutinib. The drug directly targets chronic inflammation driving disability progression in multiple sclerosis without requiring relapses. The FDA's decision on U.S. approval is expected by September 28. Clinical trials, including Hercules and Gemini, showed an around 30% reduction in disability progression risk. Hope Biosciences has received the FDA's Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation for HB adipose-derived mesenchymal stem cells, a stem cell therapy aimed at relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis. This is the first ever Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation for a multiple sclerosis treatment. The Phase 2 trial demonstrated significant quality of life improvements for patients with relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis, facilitating accelerated collaboration with the FDA for future approvals. The FDA is currently reviewing Bayer's low-dose MRI contrast agent, gadoquatrine, for use in both the central nervous system and body regions. Gadoquatrine offers a 60% lower gadolinium dose compared to current macrocyclic gadolinium-based contrast agents. This promising drug is supported by the global Phase 3 Quanti studies involving both adult and pediatric populations. Regulatory filings are also underway in Europe, Japan, and other markets. In other news, Efgartigimod has successfully met the primary endpoint in the Phase 3 ADAPT-SERON trial for seronegative myasthenia gravis, an underserved population. The company plans to submit a supplemental biologics license application to expand the drug's use across all 3 myasthenia gravis subtypes. Additionally, cemdisiran has also met its endpoints in a separate Phase 3 myasthenia gravis trial, with a new drug application expected in early 2026. 2 large-scale Phase 3 trials for Xeomin are now underway to treat chronic and episodic migraine. ABL Bio's Parkinson's drug, ABL-301, has passed Phase 1 safety testing in 91 healthy adults. The drug uses the Gravity-B platform to deliver antibodies across the blood-brain barrier. The Phase 1 trial reported mild side effects with no drug-related serious adverse events. Sanofi, which now leads the further clinical development of ABL-301, is continuing to investigate the potential of this treatment. Finally, the FDA has approved LEQEMBI IQLIK for at-home Alzheimer's maintenance. This new approval allows for a weekly subcutaneous injection in early Alzheimer's disease, providing similar efficacy and safety to the intravenous version, but with a lower risk of systemic reactions. The approval also facilitates the transition from hospital-based IV treatments to home-based auto-injector use. The U.S. launch is scheduled for October 6, 2025. Stay ahead in neuroscience research, like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.